Good morning, students. Today we will do the long question answers of the chapter 1 Geography. See beta, first question is, why is Earth considered a unique planet? The answer is, our Earth is termed as a unique planet because of its favorable environment that sustains life forms. Some factors are there like optimum temperature, life supporting oxygen and other gases, presence of water in various forms, land with various relief features, atmosphere act as a large cover to its surface from extreme cold and heat. This is the main reason why Earth is considered a unique planet. Now next question is beta, explain the major components of environment. There are two major components of environment, natural and man-made. As we discussed in the chapter, natural environment consists of two components, biotic and abiotic. Biotic means plant, animal and humans, and abiotic means land, air and water. Second one is cultural or man-made environment, consists of residential, infrastructure, economic and social and cultural. Now third question beta, with the industrial revolution exploitation took on new dimensions. Explain. The answer is, man creates the cultural environment to lead a better life. In the process, he modifies the natural environment to fulfill his needs. As we discussed in our chapter reading, man become a serious threat to the environment. He has overexploited nature to satisfy his greed. Progress of science and technology equipped him with sophisticated tools of exploit and tap nature. He has altered the ecosystem, often without realizing the consequences of his actions. With industrial revolution, exploitation has taken on new dimensions. Gradually, every part of the earth has been affected. Then a section of mankind realized that her survival on earth, we have to take care of the environment. Beta, now question number 5. Question number 4 is hordes, so it is cut. Now question number 5, distinguish between natural and human environment. See, what is natural environment? All gifts of nature such as land, water, air, plants and animals form a part of the natural environment. Human beings create the environment to lead a better life. In the process, man modifies natural environment to fulfill his needs. That means सारी की सारी natural environment से related बातें हम इसमें mention करेंगे. And second is human environment. Human beings and their social, religious, economic and cultural activities, जो सब इसमें man-made में आती हैं, form a part of the human environment. The biotic and abiotic resources are quite necessary for the existence and development of human being. This much is for today beta. Now your first chapter of geography is completed. Complete it in your notebook. After this, I will send the revision assignment of this chapter. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.